So how does all of this look in code? Well, this is how it looks. Um, so here we have our numbers, our phone numbers, and their strings. And these are the same ones from the RegEx 101. I copied everything directly in here, and same thing with the regular expression. And then we have a loop going through all of these that's going to test them. So how does all this work? The way that this works is, well, you have to create a new regular expression, so new regex. Um, And when you do this, when you create the new regex, you can. This is how you declare that it's a regular expression. So you have to have this forward slash and this forward slash here. So let me copy this so I don't lose it. Okay. So it's going to look like this. It's going to look like a comment, but when you put things in between it, it's going to recognize that it's a regular expression. If you don't put anything in between them, then, well, it's just going to look weird, right? You see there's a bunch of squigglies, a bunch of errors. So you do need the forward slashes between each of them, okay? And you'll see they were actually there. They weren't highlighted, but they're there also in the regex 101 website as well. Um, okay, so the other thing so here we're creating the regular expression, and we have it in this constant called renumber. So RE stands for regular expression, and it's number. Well, we should actually rename this to phone number. I think that would make more sense. So phone number. Okay, that's an O. And here we're going to have a loop, and we're going to go through, and we're just going to just test this. And test, all this does is it just returns true or false. Um, and it's just going to say, if renumber.test and here's the number, if it's truthy, right, it's going to console log the number. If it's not truthy, if it's false, it just won't do anything. So when we run this, there you go. There's our two numbers from before when we did it in regex 101. Okay. There's one other method you can do. It's called .exe, I believe. So it's kind of funky. You don't really need to use this, but so here you declare a regular expression pattern like that, and you do .exe, and then so this is like in line. It's don't do it that way. Just do it this way. Just .test. So you have the regular expression, you create it, and you call .test on it, and you pass in what you want to test, see if it matches. Okay, those are really the only two. There's another one called compile that's been depreciated since 1999. Why they even have it documented, I don't know. Probably because they want to have a historical reference to it, I guess. Um, but yeah, all you really need to know is that there's really just one method call on the regular expression, which is .test, and it just tests whether it's a match or not. Okay, and it's that simple pragmatically. Again, the code is not hard. It's this that's the trick, right? It's getting that pattern down, and that website, regex 101, is what's going to help you the most. Okay. All right. If you guys have any questions, let me know.